Do not listen to these recordings while driving or operating machinery. Only listen to these recordings when you can safely relax. Enjoy your HypnoGami session. You are aware of everything, and yet you are not aware. You are listening with your subconscious mind, while your conscious mind is far away and not listening. Your conscious mind is far away and not listening. Your subconscious mind is awake and listening and hearing everything, while your conscious mind remains very relaxed and peaceful. You can relax peacefully because your subconscious mind is taking charge. And when this happens, you close your eyes and let your subconscious do all the listening. Your subconscious mind knows. And because your subconscious mind knows, your conscious mind does not need to know and can stay asleep and not mind, while your subconscious mind stays wide awake. You have much potential in your subconscious mind, which you don't have in your conscious mind. You can remember everything that has happened with you, subconscious mind, but you cannot remember everything with your conscious mind. You can forget so easily, and with forgetting certain things you can remember other things, remembering what you need to remember, and forgetting what you can forget. What has no use anymore for you? It does not matter if you forget. You need not remember. Your subconscious mind remembers everything that you need to know, and you can let your subconscious mind listen and remember, while your conscious mind sleeps and forgets. Keep your eyes closed and listen with your subconscious mind. And when you're listening very, very carefully, your head can now, yes, as you continue to listen to me, with your subconscious mind, your conscious mind sleeps deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. Let your conscious mind stay deeply asleep, and let your subconscious mind listen to me. Imagine yourself at the top of a staircase. This staircase leads to a beautiful forest meadow, a natural place of great tranquility and peace. And you're so ready now to experience peace and calmness within yourself and within your life. Notice at the foot of the stairs an incredibly comfortable lounger just waiting for you. And there are only 10 steps between you and the lounger and the feeling of peace you want to experience. In a moment I'm going to count from 10 down to 1. And with each count, you'll take a step down toward your goal, relaxing more with each step. 10. Going down and feeling so relaxed. 9. Feeling so relaxed and calm. 8. Going deeper and deeper down. 7. More relaxed with each step. 6. Getting closer now. 5. More and more relaxed. 4. Feel all your problems just melting away. 3. Deeper down. 2. So incredibly calm and relaxed. And 1. All the way down now. And seat yourself on the lounger and feel more deeply relaxed than ever before. Each time you listen to this tape, you are going to be more receptive subconsciously to the suggestions that I will share with you. They will begin to build like a fortress, block by block, stone by stone, as you build your life now to be the greatest success, to earn the most money that you are possibly able to earn. You are going to find that beginning now. You are success-oriented, and there is nothing and no one who can keep you from becoming the success that you desire to be. You expect to succeed, and you feel a sense of enthusiasm and confidence now in living your new attitudes every day. First of all, you are going to overcome procrastinating because you want to. You are going to take a great deal of pride in the fact that you have matured and you are taking control of your life and beginning to do the things that you put off in the past. There will be no more nervousness or struggles as you leave behind the old habits. You are getting yourself more organized, and it becomes easy and natural for you. And you feel a new, healthier sense of accomplishment as you cross the responsibilities and chores off your list. You procrastinated sometimes when you faced something that you didn't want to do. Until now you put those jobs off. But no more. You feel a sense of urgency to complete and succeed at the things that need to be done. You realize that to become the person that you want to be and know that you can be, you have got to take care of some of those unpleasant things, and you have got to tackle them like the adult that you really are. You won't let jobs or tasks nag you or pile up on you anymore. You feel a sense of satisfaction as you accomplish more and more every day. You go for it, and you will have no more immature resistance to yourself. You are an honest adult and a responsible person, and you want to get your life progressing on the road to success. You are going to leave procrastination behind and enjoy a sense of maturing stronger emotionally and mentally every day. Every day your work gets easier and easier to accomplish. You feel better every day. You are going to start by getting those little things out of the way. The kind of things that used to sidetrack you or divert your attention. Get the little things out of the way. You will bring yourself up to date on busy work. Whether they be errands or paperwork or just simply doing or writing down those things for you to do today. None of that will be there to bother you anymore. You complete your tasks easily and comfortably, and you will have confidence in yourself and your abilities as you approach your new tasks. You will know that you can get the job done well, efficiently, and properly. A lack of confidence. A thought that maybe you can't do what you set out to do. It won't be there to bother you anymore as you feel as though you have grown out of that feeling. You will know, because you will have the right attitude. You are bound to succeed. You apply yourself to everything that you set out to do, and the work and the success will come easily and effortlessly. You will enjoy the mature feelings that come with solid accomplishment day after day, and you will realize that you are doing more than you ever thought you could. And that realization will please you and give you the confidence to accomplish the next task that needs to be done. You are going to stop worrying when jobs come up, and you are going to sense the kind of person that is within you that enjoys the chance to produce. You will delight in taking action right now, doing it now. Your motto becomes, do it now. There will be no more procrastinating. You are going to become a doer, rather than a worrier. You will know that the only way to solve problems is to get moving, and that's what you will do. Unpleasant tasks are not going to slow you down anymore. You will know that the faster you get them started, the faster they will be done. And with each task that you finish, you will have a feeling of honest satisfaction and accomplishment that you look forward to. You will feel very pleased with yourself, and you will be proud that you have become a more mature, positive person. You will feel better about yourself. Your life will be simpler, more carefree, and you will be rewarded knowing you have done your tasks without waiting. Beginning to realize now, and feeling your accomplishments as your new attitudes become your new feelings. New tasks are not going to faze you or scare you. That you haven't done something before doesn't stop you now. You won't waste time worrying that you can't do the job exactly right, or the way you do the job may not be the best in the world. You will do the best you can, enjoying it, knowing that your best will get even better. You will know that no one else will be able to give the task more thought or more effort than you will. And so you start right with the doing of it, not with thinking. You will feel comfortable with yourself, knowing that you are as good as the next person, perhaps even better. Tackling new jobs will become a positive challenge for you, and you will respond with enthusiasm and interest and an honest sense of effort. You will learn and grow and be surprised at how well you do. Good things really begin to happen now, and you leave procrastination behind. You are going to find that you have more time to do the things that you enjoy. Your family, your friends, and your work. You feel more organized, honestly, in control of your life, and you in fact will be. The things that you have done will become a pleasure to remember. You feel a sense of reward with each task that you set out to do. You will come to have a new sense of importance about yourself, knowing you are no longer a person who puts things off anymore because you have matured. You take your responsibilities seriously as an adult, and you begin to have a new sense of pride, knowing that you are in control, organized and up to date. You will enjoy a feeling of success in each and every task that you take on and finish. You will accept compliments about your personal organization and how well put together you have become, because it will be true. Relax. Let it be a pleasure that you honestly do have a choice. You enjoy a sense of enthusiasm, the excitement, and the pleasure of succeeding in all areas of your life better than ever before. And as your confidence grows, as your abilities grow, as you accomplish more and more every day, so it is that you bring in the sales, the revenues, and earn a living such as you deserve, because you feel, you know, you believe, you deserve to be rich, and now you are going to make it happen.